Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials so you can diagnose why Call of Duty Mobile quits. Free up storage and close heavy background apps. Low RAM often forces a quit. Make sure you note the app version and your OS build because fixes differ by version. Once done, enable any in-game logs or record the exact time the quit happens so you can correlate events. These steps save time later and prevent chasing random causes while you work. Now change settings that directly affect stability. Lower graphics and limit FPS to 30 or 60 to reduce memory pressure. Unstable GPU loads often trigger quits. Clear the app cache and storage safely, then force stop the app and restart your phone to remove lingering processes. If issues persist after these steps, reinstall the app, but only after backing up settings. Reinstalling removes corrupt files that simple cache clears sometimes miss. Make sure to recheck permissions after reinstall so the app can access required resources. Finish by eliminating network and permission causes. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection and disable VPNs or proxies because unstable network handshakes can crash sessions. Confirm permissions, storage, microphone, and location are allowed so the game won't fail at runtime. If the app still auto-quits after all this, collect the logs you enabled earlier and submit them to support with your device, OS, and app version. One key troubleshooting tip: test on a second device or account to isolate device versus account-specific problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.